Understanding the social impact of digital technology during the COVID-19 pandemic is the focus of a new study by the Singapore University of Social Sciences. Now, its aim is to uncover how people use digital applications to sustain or create social connections. And that includes whether digital tech can help reduce loneliness. The study is the first international collaboration of its kind involving 11 other countries, including India, France, and the UK. The research lead is Dr. Koh Pei Chuan, a lecturer from SUSS Centre for University Core, and she joins us tonight for more on this. So, Dr. Koh, we've heard a lot about how COVID-19 has exacerbated feelings of loneliness and isolation among people. So, how will this study help to find solutions?
First of all, thank you for letting me be here tonight to share my research. Like what you introduced about this project, we know COVID-19 has changed our way of working and even socializing. And we hope to use this study to collect more factual information to know to what extent we use digital technology for work, for learning, for socializing. And a bigger question is, through the digital use, are we emotionally connected too? Before COVID-19, there are a lot of research on digital use and social loneliness. And we know the intensity is a big key. But COVID-19 restrained us from our daily practice of social activities. We have to rely on digital technology more intensively. So this study, like the link at my back, wants to explore how people use digital technology and how that connect to the feeling of loneliness.
Dr. Koh, one of the areas you're studying is how the use of digital applications is related to education, social resources, and even family conditions. Can you share some preliminary results you've gotten so far for that, and how does it compare with that in other countries?
So all of the 12 countries are still in the middle of data collection. So we don't have preliminary findings here, but we hypothesized that with more responses, we are saying that for respondents with different family conditions, we may see differences in terms of using digital technology for learning, in terms of different socioeconomic status of respondents. We can see that they have digital applications for job finding, for like online learning, and different purposes of usage. And this research will, and in collaboration with other 12 countries, will end by mid-August. After that, we are hoping to provide more factual information. Thank you.
Dr. Koh, some overseas research have suggested that digital technology and social media platforms may alleviate the sense of loneliness that could surface during lockdowns, for example. So looking at the results so far, do we see that effect here?
So it's an interesting hypothesis because for social scientists, we think intensive use of digital technology may have the reverse effect of social well-being and mental well-being. So research you mentioned that it's a linear relationship between use of digital technology and alleviation of loneliness. However, in our research project, we really hope to see that whether there's a linear relationship or it's a U-shape, moderate use of digital technology may actually provide a more beneficial effect to mental well-being and to alleviate loneliness.
So what then are some other areas that you think need to be looked at in order to build a better mental resilience and to tackle future crises?
So the emotional connectedness is what we are really concerned during COVID-19. And even we heard a lot of stories that older people feel lonely because they could not have physical visit, like during the circuit breaker. through this research, we really hope to see that if we can we can really look into the purpose of different kind of digital technologies. Can we find with the information of frequency of use, can we find can we find a niche to find a better way, a better usage of digital technology, while to give the optimized effects of to mental well-being. And I know this we are still in the middle of data collection, but that's what we are hoping to reach.
Okay, we look forward to seeing the results when they do come in. Lots more to learn. Thank you very much, Dr. Ko Pei Chun, lecturer from the Singapore University of Social Sciences.